It is the fourth time we are participating at REPMUS, Robotic Experimentation and Prototyping with Maritime Uncrewed Systems, an operational experimentation campaign organized by the Portuguese Navy, and also Tactical Exercise Dynamic Messenger, organized by NATO here in Troia, Portugal. The aim of the OPEX is to test the capabilities of uncrewed platforms in 3 domains: air, surface, subsurface, and the interoperability. We participated in numerous flight serials in 3 different areas. Rapid environmental assessment, where we conducted LiDAR flights both from shore and from a Portuguese offshore patrol vessel, Figueira da Foz. Underwater warfare, where we participated in a magnetic anomaly detection serial with the aim to detect a submarine successfully. And finally, above water warfare, where we supported the tactical live firing exercise.